Hi dear traders, I'm Maria Staradup and this is the review of crypto analytics from FxCo. It's 28th of November, Monday today, and in our today's review we will discuss US authorities continue to shape legislation to regulate the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is still under pressure from miners and whales accumulate Ethereum. Let's start. We'll start with the news and the article by Jakub Novak. The news from the US and about the regulation of the cryptocurrency market. And recently, New York Attorney General Letitia James has urged Congress to pass a law prohibiting crypto investments in retirement accounts. She cited several reasons why cryptocurrencies were too risky to be used in retirement plans. As they have no intrinsic value, they are extremely unstable and often a tool for fraud and crime. She also referred to the collapse of Terra and FTX, followed by the sell-off in the cryptocurrency market. She also said that investing Americans' hard-earned retirement funds in crashing cryptocurrencies could wipe away a lifetime's worth of hard work. This should not happen, and hardworking Americans should not have to worry about their retirement savings being wiped out due to risky bets on unstable assets like cryptocurrencies. It should be noted that Fidelity Investments, the largest administrator of assets, began offering Bitcoin investments in retirement accounts this fall. And this alarmed the US Department of Labor, and then Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen sent a letter to Fidelity CEO urging her firm to stop offering Bitcoin as an option for retirement accounts. And now let's move on to a technical picture and of both Ethereum and Bitcoin and the article by Artem Petrenko. Artem says that the volatility in the cryptocurrency market began to decline, which is reflected in the movement of quotes of the main digital assets. The stage of panic sales and impulsive price movements has come to an end, and now the market is moving in the stage of consolidation. If we look at the chart of the flagship cryptocurrency, what can we see? Despite the strong defense of the 15,500 level and the subsequent upward movement towards the 16,500, 16,600 price range, Bitcoin still has chances to update the local bottom. It's important for the cryptocurrency to continue its bullish movement and gain a foothold above 16,600, where the mass Bitcoin buying zone begins in mid-November. On the chart, we can still see the triangle figure, which also remains relevant and can be broken in a downward direction. However, the strong defense of the 15,500 level delayed this moment. Technical metrics point to the exhaustion of the bullish forces and the gradual slide of the price towards 16,000. The buyers managed to test the 16,600, 16,800 level, but the pressure from sellers provoked a price reversal towards the local bottom. The RSI index is turning downward, the stochastic is preparing to form a bearish crossover, and the MACD is turning flat and hasn't formed a bullish crossover. It should be noted that after the local stabilization of the situation, miners became the main source of pressure on Bitcoin quotes. According to on-chain metrics, the last 5 days have seen record levels of Bitcoin miner capitulation in 7 years. So Artem says that all these facts indicate that the price of Bitcoin, having rebounded from the local bottom at 15,500, unsuccessfully tested the resistance level, and we should expect another 15,500 assault, which significantly increases the likelihood of updating the local bottom. Well, let's look at the chart for the moment and see what's happening there. So, over the weekend, Bitcoin was consolidating near the points 16,500, 550, and so on. It almost didn't move anywhere. And right at the beginning of today, 28th of November, it moved down. It opened the day at the point of 16,448, and now at the moment of the publication it is trading at 16,178. Well, probably it moved to this very mark, Artem said, 15,500. But it is still unclear what should happen next, or we'll see. And now let's move on to Ethereum here in this very article. What's happening on the chart of Ethereum. The situation, Artem says, is quite similar to the price movement of Bitcoin. The bulls managed to protect the spot level of 1,668, after which price went to the upper border of the current channel and met resistance near 1,200 level, but still has chances to hold an important milestone. Judging by the indicators, the price will further decline. The RSI and stochastic are declining, indicating growing selling pressure. The 1,175 milestone was broken despite a local rebound attempt. The price now is moving towards the next support zone at 1,147. However, in the current momentum, if the current momentum continues, the level will be broken and the price will retest 1,100 levels. And given the bearish sentiment of Bitcoin and the relationship with Ethereum, the altcoin is expecting another wave of decline if Bitcoin buyers do not become more active. At the same time, Artem says fundamentally Ethereum is becoming a priority option for investors. According to sentiment, the active addresses of sharks and whales continue to actively accumulate Ethereum, which indicates a gradual redistribution of capital and the formation of local bottom. Well, let's look at the chart for the moment, at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. Well, what can we see? Yes, the movement is similar to Bitcoin. It was hovering near the points of 1,200, 220 during the weekend, and like Bitcoin, right at the beginning of the day, 28th of November, Ethereum went down it opened the day at the point of 1194, and now at the moment of the publication it is trading at 1169. Well, it's very close to this very support zone at 1147. We will see whether it will go there or not. And as a conclusion, what Artem says, with a high degree of probability, Bitcoin and Ethereum will continue to decline. And if Bitcoin has every chance to update the local bottom, then Ethereum will most likely keep the current milestone at 875, formed in June 2022. Such forecasts, we will see what will happen next. The trading week has just begun. This is all for today. We will see each other tomorrow in our next review. I wish you a perfect day, a successful trading, and see you tomorrow.